I was watching in the YouTubes the other day that Andrew and Jihi they couldn't publish their book. The CIA was not letting them publish their book, so they had to sue the CIA under the premise of freedom of expression, of freedom of speech, because they were guinea pigs, or they were like bait for their operations for the CIA. Uh, I think is relevant for what happened to the speaker or the debater. Um, it's it's sad, or how do you say it? Like these. It's interesting that the Americans take pride on freedom, especially freedom of speech and freedom of expression. That's why a lot of people come and make businesses here, because they say that they allow them to explore their business ideas because of that freedom. They cannot do it in another country. But after what happened to Charlie, what's happening in the what's happening with cancel culture, and then the government trying to censor, and algorithms also trying to manipulate you into or keeping you in the bubble of your own ideas and beliefs. It's actually hurting that freedom because it's putting you in a cage. Granted, you have the choice to get out of that cage, because it starts with mental stuff, right? Like if you're into spirituality, you're gonna get spiritual stuff. If you're into fitness, you're gonna get fitness stuff. But sometimes we live in this bubble that we don't see reality, and the reality is that if we don't start paying attention or start taking action, our freedom of expression or freedom of rights, and I'm telling you, as somebody that is an alien, right? We're losing that in the uh, American culture or society, the freedom of expression. Because I certainly don't want to get um, unalive just for expressing my point of views. But we all know how that goes for melanated people. But that's not the point. We're losing our freedoms